This specific Falcon 900EX was built to carry a head of state in ultimate luxury. It was designed to cross oceans effortlessly, but this bird never made it home. Instead of landing in Venezuela, it was forced to land in Florida, a $13 million masterpiece of French engineering, now a seized asset of the U.S. Justice Department, from the factory floor in Bordeaux to federal custody. Now, let's rewind and witness the birth of this ill-fated aircraft.
Watch the clearance on that wing section. Copy that, moving slowly.
The dimensional stability here is critical. Look at the variance.
Yes, but the secondary scan confirms the acceptance criteria.
Alignment looks good on my side.
Confirming green status. Proceed with the lock.
Alignment looks good on the secondary mount.
No. Millimeter perfect. Recording the data now.
The authorization sequence is complete on Sector 4. We are clear for the system's installation.
Confirmed. Initiating the transition now.
Clear on the left side. How's the alignment looking?
Looks good. We are ready for the mount. Check the alignment on section 3.
Reading 45 Newton meters. It's within tolerance.
Verified. Good to proceed. We are aligned on the forward mounts.
Confirming alignment. Proceed to secure.
Panels are secure. Alignment looks perfect.
Confirmed on the diagnostic. We are clear for the next phase.
How is the calibration coming along?
Almost finished with the diagnostics, just waiting on the green light.
There it is. Verified.
Secure connectivity established.
Verify the pitch hold loop, it seems slightly off nominal.
Adjusting the gain now. Data looks good.
Solid green across the board.
Run the hydraulic check on the servo actuator.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Verified. Green light confirmed.
All systems green for the cabin installation phase, Supervisor. Requesting authorization.
Acknowledged. Transition approved.
We need to ensure the alignment is absolutely flawless on this one.
Agreed. The client will be looking closely at the reflections.
Just a little more polish on the lower edge.
Check the alignment on this bracket. It seems slightly off.
Right. Let me see. We might need to adjust the mounting point.
The craftsmanship on this wall is excellent.
Agreed. Everything checks out perfectly.
Truly a beautiful finish.
Yeah.
The client will be very happy.
Cabin systems are nominal. Transition authorized.
Confirmed. Ready for ground test.
Systems check complete. Everything is nominal.
Confirmed. We are online.
Are the bypass levels holding steady?
Affirmative. All green.
Fluctuations on gauge 3. What's the status on the valve?
Valve is secure. Pressure stabilizing now.
Knots. Checked. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up.
The hydraulic pressure on the main gear is holding steady at 45.
Confirmed. We are still green across the board.
Airspeed stable at 250 knots.
Confirmed. Fuel flow checked. Endurance is nominal.
Roger that. Monitoring engine parameters.
Touchdown, spoilers up.
Speed of alive, 60 knots.
Clear to exit runway.
I've reviewed the manifest and everything is accounted for. Please sign here to confirm receipt of the documents.
Welcome to the family, sir. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Absolutely stunning. The interior looks even better than the renderings.
We customized the cabin lighting just as you requested.
Yeah.
These screens show our flight path and the engine parameters. Everything is well within limits, so nothing to worry about.
Good to know. Thank you.
Baggage secured, Captain. Clear to disconnect.
Roger that. Thank you.
Verify the static ports are clear.
Confirmed. Moving to the strut pressure.